Welcome. In front of me I have NOKIA G10, and today we'll check how fast and how reliable is face unlock on this smartphone. So I'm going to use this face recognition for a few times and let's see how it performs. Okay, so right now I can say that the face unlock is a little bit slower than the fingerprint sensor that you can find in the right edge built into the power key. The good point that this sensor, this face recognition recognizes my face every time, but it's not fast. It works slow, to be honest. Take a look on the sensor. It works definitely faster. Okay, let's turn on the screen and take a look right now. As you can see, sensor works definitely better than the face unlock. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.